Going on, guys? Today's video is a little bittersweet. I kind of lost a lot of footage of finishing the truck, but the truck has been finished for quite some time. It just so happens that my guy that did all the video editing, he went on to a different and better career than YouTube, and he had aviation school and stuff like that, so kind of fell behind on making the videos. But the truck has actually been finished for some time, and yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys what the truck actually looks like now that it's completely finished. It's been finished for some time. It actually sold quite a little bit ago. My dog's running around here somewhere. But anyways, yeah, there's the truck. I'm gonna go into a little bit more detail in a little bit, but yeah, everything turned out amazing. I actually drove the truck for maybe about 4 or 5 months. Didn't have a single issue with it. Took maybe 3 trips to Florida, 1 to Georgia for sure, 2 to Florida, and yeah, I picked up my boat in Florida with it. Didn't have any issues with it, man. That truck, it ran great. The only problem is can't fit all my kids in it, so I had to get rid of the truck, and actually ended up buying a GMC Yukon Denali. That seats everybody. It's got the TVs and pull the boat and all that good stuff. So kind of want another Cummins probably later on down in life, but this one was near and dear to me. A lot of work went into it, so as you can imagine. But here's a couple of glamour shots of what the truck actually came out to look like, and hope you like it and enjoy. So the new owner is actually a good buddy of mine, and he watched me build this truck from the beginning, and he was very excited. He even said something to the following that I'm building the truck for him. You know, power of a spoken word. You know, the seats actually came out, you know, fantastic. Everything, I mean, all the trim, everything on this truck is just fantastic. The Apple CarPlay works. I can't imagine having another one of these trucks without Apple CarPlay. I'm telling you, it's the bee's knees. So, yep, the headliner came out awesome. The interior is amazing. The new dash, I'm telling you, if you ever get one of these trucks and you get a used one, spend the $300 and get yourself a brand new steering wheel. You're gonna thank me later, because I mean, you don't know who was holding that steering wheel. You don't know where their hands have been. And when you get yourself a brand new steering wheel, it just feels like a brand new car. I mean, I think that's going to be the move with all my new vehicles now, or used vehicles, is try to get a brand new steering wheel one way or another. But the dash came out awesome. Obviously, it's a brand new dash. There aren't any issues with it. We actually did install a amp power pedal commander, and man, it does an amazing job. So interior came out awesome. The back seats, fantastic, no issues. Everything works. Heated seats in the back work. All the speakers work. I mean, not a single check engine light in this thing. It's like a brand new truck. And the good thing is, I mean, the color actually came out very, very, very good. Everybody compliments me on these colors because they don't make trucks like this, you know, in this package. They usually have like some sort of chrome on them, or they're just the regular SLTs. But this one, we did complete chrome delete on it. We did, you know, new tail lights on it. We besides the chrome wheels and, you know, the running boards that kind of complement the chrome wheels, everything else is pretty much black out. You know, I got the black decals. We tinted the windshield 50% with my homie Raul. Raul tints all my stuff. And yep, the new owner decided to install these front LED lights. I'm personally not a fan of them. I'm not a fan of this stuff, but you know, to each their own, I guess. Everything else has been pretty much stock the way I liked it. And the offset of the wheels, everything. We had the black cab mounts installed. Everything came out very, very nice. Overall, this truck served me really, really well. I thoroughly enjoyed it. One of the best rigs. I actually prefer this truck over my black one that I had a while ago. I had a complete blackout edition, which is what made me want to get one of these trucks to begin with. But yeah, I mean, everything came out fantastic on this thing. I'm very happy with it. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little build. I just didn't want to leave this build the way I left the yellow E36 build. I kind of wanted to finish this one because the yellow one also, I finished it, didn't have enough time to do the recordings, and you know, it just, even though the yellow one came out amazing, I wish I did finish it. I probably would have a little more than 100 subscribers by now, like I do with this thing. But I hope you guys like it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Man, dog's going crazy. But yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what kind of builds you want to see me do in the future. I know I'm gonna have another BMW E36 build very, very soon. It's just picked one up. It's a 1998 BMW M3 four-door sedan, manual, 345 baby. So I'm gonna be doing something different with that series. But yeah, I hope you guys like this truck. Little limo is what I used to call it, but it's pretty awesome. I really do. I drove it today because the new owner wants me to install some other stuff on it, but I do miss it. It's a very, very cool truck to have. A couple of glamour shots. Man, bam. It's cool stuff. Yep. So, again, guys, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you like it, don't like it, let me know what you didn't like. Let me know what I could improve on, so on and so forth. That's gonna be it for this short little video. Again, guys, if you like this stuff, like, comment, subscribe. It really mean a lot. You know, this truck was a good one. This was a really cool build. So again, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Later. Peace.